here at J-Dogs in Berlin, New Jersey.
This was a great opportunity for me and my family to get out in this beautiful weather, and we've had a great time.
So much fun. It was such a good event. It was so worth it. We came from Millville, so this was so good.
Been having a great day. It's probably our third or fourth year coming. The kids loved it. Good for all ages, and the food was delicious.
I highly recommend J-Dogs for anything.
We had a really good time today. Thank you for all the free food and fun.
J-Dogs rock!